How long does spending Robux take? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss how long spending Robux takes. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get right into it. So spending Robux can take some time and sometimes you know it takes different periods of time. So if that's the case and you want your Robux quickly, this is what actually happens behind the scenes. So actually, previously you didn't have to wait for Robux. So you can see this on the dev forum of Roblox that previously there was no time. There was no period of time you'd need to wait, but now there is to prevent stealing of Robux. So this is actually kept to prevent stealing Robux, as you can see right here, and again, this can take from 3 days to almost 2 weeks. So some people can have gotten their Robux within a week, or some have even taken up to 4 weeks, as you can see right here. So it can last between 3 days to a week, and now extended to last up to 4 weeks. So that's what Roblox actually gives you. So this is to actually confirm that the Robux or the transaction of the Robux is happening and it's authentic, it's validated, and it's actually happening and not just a stealing process by someone who's trying to steal Robux. So yeah, this can take some time, and this is not actually uh, you know uh, estimate. It's not actually an exact time limit. So it can take some time between 3 days or a week to 4 weeks completely. That is the extended period. If the extended period is not hit, you can get your Robux up to a week or even, let's say, 2 weeks. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. And yeah, the another answer to your question, that is if you can speed it up or not. The answer is no, you cannot speed up Robux. So, yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope this answered your question. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.